Hey, welcome to the Stupid Food Review Show. I'm your host, as always, JIAT. Okay, started off, I have never had a tuna sub from Subway. There's just a lot of choices, and tuna's always at home, so I never have had a tuna sub from Subway. Okay, why would I bring this up? Well, some people brought a lawsuit against Subway saying that their tuna isn't tuna, something else. I literally saw the headline a million times, but I don't know, I didn't read any of the articles. I don't know what they claimed it was, because I'm sure it's tuna. These lawsuits pop up all the time, they're ridiculous. But Subway, now I thought they were just like, just going to ignore it. But I went to their website today. This isn't the first page of this is right on their home page. That's the first thing that pops up. But when I was on it earlier, when you first came on, there was a pop-out that you had to, a pop-up that you had to X out that was like, this is 100%, and they're like 15, and there was like a special deal, 15% on the app on tuna sandwiches, but it looks like that 15% is for all the sandwiches. But right on the front page, the home page, 100% real wild caught tuna, 100% delicious. Our tuna salad is 100% tuna mixed with mayo. So there you go. So I'm going to test to see if it's real. I'm going to have my first ever Subway tuna sub. I was kind of a coward. I didn't even get a foot long. I got a 6-incher. 6-incher! But there you go. You go to the front, you go to Subway, their website, and the home page is literally just like, let's see if we can get this. Hey man, our tuna's real! What are you doing? People are so dumb. Anyway, let's see. Is this really tuna? Or what? And what did they claim it was? If somebody knows and read the article, or I actually will go back and read the article, and then in the description, I'll say what they thought it was. But I got spicy tuna is what I'm calling it. This is my sandwich. My creation. Okay. It is black olives, jalapenos, pepper rings, tuna and mayo. This is my first tuna sandwich from Subway. Eat the whole thing. This will be a mukbang. Very good. Well, if this isn't tuna, it tastes a lot like it. This is a good tuna sandwich. I mean, the whole point of it, me never getting them, is we always have a couple foil packets or some cans of tuna, and I can make that at home. I can't make rotisserie chicken at home. Subway. Bye, Cam. This is the spicy tuna. We'll call it the JIAT sub. It's black olives, pepper rings, and jalapeno. They're getting spicy though. This is a good tuna sandwich. I cannot tell you the last time I had a tuna sandwich. Oh! It's Michigan wintertime, so you leave your soda pop out in the garage. And your beers. You don't have to clutter up the fridge. Right now, my fridge is broken, but you gotta love being able to put your cases of soda. You gotta be careful though. That Coca-Cola coffee I did the other day, I brought it in, reviewed it, it was frozen. Just in case you're just tuning in, this is a mukbang of a tuna sub from Subway because people said the tuna from Subway's made out of, I don't know, some kind of mystery fish. Thing is, I'm sure it's tuna, but if it's not, I don't care. Fish is fish. You should see some of the fish we eat. In the country. My dad always used to have homemade mason jars of pickled sucker. Just jars of it. Ugh! Big pink chunks of it, pickled, and it was suckers. Sucker fish. They look kind of like, I don't know, mixture like a, I don't know, they got a big sucker thing on their face. But some people eat carp. I've never had carp. A lot of people say tilapia is like a garbage fish. I don't know what that means. Or black sea bass used to be called garbage can fish or something. I can't remember. They just changed the name of it. Who cares? Tuna is probably, I don't know, more expensive. It's going to be way too long of a video. I'm going to wrap it up, B. I'm going to say it's 100% tuna, 100%, what does it say? 100% delicious. And it was. It was actually really good. It's the first tuna sub I've ever had from McDonald's, from Subway. And I really thoroughly enjoyed it. The spicy tuna. 10 out of 10. Love you guys. Love you, babe.